Kaya everything actions that we'll be doing today is geared towards building our team. Kisay kapila na ninyo nga team building. First, kisay mga first time diri. Kisay second time. Kisay naka-experience of team building. Okay, so katong wala ka-experience, istoryahin na lang ninyo. Yeah, okay, so but again, I tell you, each team building is a different experience. Okay, so again, action number 4. What's number 4? Very familiar kayo nito. Mindset ba? Mindset. Okay, what is your mindset? Okay, mindset is the way you look at things. Okay, based on your experiences and based on the learnings and experience that you have. Okay, there are 2 kinds of mindset. How many? 2. Okay, number 1 is fixed mindset. What's number 1?
Fixed mindset.
What is a fixed mindset? Pag sinabing fixed mindset na? One focus na. Okay, you are not open for learning anymore. Ay, Ma'am Dayan, alam ko na yan. Lalo na sila'y sakit, no? Nga acne. Ano saan ang acne? AKNY. Alam ko na yan. Sabi ni Ma'am, sumani? Diba? Parang kabayo ka na. Diba? Hindi ka na open for learning. Okay? And the number 2 is growth mindset. What's number 2?
Growth mindset.
So what's a growth mindset? Pag sinabing growth mindset, okay, open ka for learning. There are challenges, but again, you are focusing on the opportunities in crisis. Okay, iba yung nakikita mo. There were 2 salesmen na pinadala sa India. Ang sapaang produkto nila, tsinelas. Okay, anong product sila? Okay, the first salesman arrived in India. And pagdating niya doon, tumawag sa boss niya, "Bossing, I'm going home." Why? Walay opportunity dire. Ang mga tao walay tsinelas. Okay? Ang number 2, pag abot ito, "Bossing, padalagdag ang stocks dire. Kung pwede, magbuhat ang pabrika dire." Ano man? Grabe ang opportunity. Kaya ang mga tao, walay tsinelas. Okay? We just have to educate them. Nga naay, tsinelas ka pwede gamiton nila. 2 people saying the same things, but different mindset. Okay? So, asa man dapat ang Virtual Jobs Philippines, asa man ta dapat? The growth or the fix? Growth mindset. Every day we are confronted with fix and growth. But every day, that's the challenge that we have also to make the right choice. Okay? Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, growth mindset ba? Growth mindset tayo. Okay? So again, number 1, manage our
Time, energy, action, mindset.
Okay, basahaw si acronym. Yes, that's it. Manage our team because we are a team here. And not only is a Virtual Jobs Philippines team, but you know what? What is your first team? According to Mother Teresa, if you want to change the world, go back to your family. Because your family is your first team. A happy family is a happy workplace. Okay? So, very important yan. Okay, so, muna ito ang mindset karon na i-manage nato ni nga 4. Okay, then there are 4, game of life. Kailangan, pag ikaw ang, participant, dapat 4 daw na kategory. And I want you to decide saan kayo ngayon dito. Number 1. Okay? I-note niyo number 1, all out. What's number 1? All out. So, pag naaday mga activity, all out ka ba? Okay, natin team building karon. Are you all out? Yes. Okay, naapoy daw klase nga tao, ang game nila sa life 50-50 lang. Okay, what is 50-50? Alam niyo yung 50-50? Okay, because I have a friend, Yang mama ni adto sa hospital kay yang gi-attack ang iyang husband. Hilak siya. Alang doktor, "Ma'am, I'm sorry, ang imong husband 50-50." Hilak siya. Dok, kung saan ang 50-50, Dok? Okay, 50-50 meaning, okay, 100 is the all out, right? But you are just giving 50% of yourself here. Okay? Baka ang imong yunahuna karon napasalain. Right? No, nag-focus ka sa imong cellphone. So again, mga 50-50. Number 3. Okay? Ang number 3 is watcher lang siya. Asa man ang watcher? Spectator lang. Tanaw lang siya. Present siya, pero tanaw lang siya. Di ba? But ang pinaka-worst, ang number 4. What's number 4? Dead ma. Wala. Maat pa. Saan ang maat pa? Malay ko, pakialam nyo. Okay? So there are 4. So saan kayo ngayon? I want you to decide. Ngayon pa lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saan kayo? From this team. From this team. Okay, can we give a round of applause? So all out tayo ha. Give our best. Because when you want to give your best, the best will come back to you. Remember that. Okay, last question ko sa inyo before we start. Are you fit? Fit ba kayo sa activity natin today? FIT.
Yes.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Okay, what is fit? You want to know what is fit? Ask me what? Okay, this is the mindset. What is F? I want you to have fun. Okay, it's okay to have fun. It's more fun in Virtual Jobs Philippines. Ayun talaga. Yeah, it's more fun. No? Okay, mas madali ang learning if you are happy. Okay, that's why I was having a meeting ang kagabi sa mga apostolate sa church. Sabi ko sa kanila, that's why hindi kayo nakaka-recruit ng mga bagong member. Ano man, sige mugmugot. Di ba? Oh, because how will I join a company or a team nga mga tao dili happy? Right? So be happy. Okay, because that job is a privilege given to you. Okay, it could have been another person. But why nganong ikaw nga naa diha? Okay? So asa na ganita? F. Grabe gid mo ba, no? Naka-focus gid mo. So all out gid mo. I'm just trying to test you. Okay, what is I? Interactive. Yeah, very good pala. Grabe ni sila dito. So it should be interactive. No? So I will be interacting with you because this is not about me. This is about you. Okay, and what is T? Transformational. Okay, very important that we have to learn something new here today. New mindset, new actions, new results. Okay, so fit tayo.